Peace Hack Camp, an intercommunal peace-building project, aims at media, information and communication technology literacy trainings. It seeks to network people from all walks of life, a way of addressing the means of sharing media, open ICT, innovation and education resources as drivers for peace, reconciliation and development. An enthusiastic director and founder of Capital Movie Industry explains the Peace Hack Camp intents.
Peace Hack Camp has been organized, number one, on the basis of inspiring people to think different, to take action, and to hack for peace.
Consistent exposure are capable of changing mindset. The Peace Hack Camp presents a different approach in the struggle to avert negativity and likely actions.
If you hack for peace, you have to not only observe the usual or traditional way of making peace, but we have to see other angles of how we can make peace. For example, at the Peace Hack Camp, we were specifically looking at how can we create peace through instilling and enabling and empowering youth to take entrepreneurial thinking, right? Enterprising. We're looking at training youth onto the usage of open ICT tools. We're looking at creating peace through empowering these people to have hands-on skills in videography, in script writing, storytelling. So to me, the Peace Hack Camp has taken that dimension to create peace not in the traditional way as opposed to politics, but looking at those other angles.
Idea birthed in South Sudan has already gotten its way to Colombia, a South American country similarly struggling to restore total sanity and harmony among its people. There are hopes for more of such gatherings encouraging open source utilization. Stephen holds no limits for exporting the Peace Hack Camp idea within and beyond, as long as communities will benefit.
There is no license, so there is no copyright that is going to be attached to Peace Hack Camp. For example, if other parts of the world want to borrow the idea, they want to organize an event under the name of Peace Hack Camp. There is no restriction to it. It's an open innovation, so whoever wants to use it would use it. However, we require that at least if they can have, let's say, an affiliation with us, if they can ask for example, how we have organized it, some of the templates that we put forward, that we will be putting forward, if they can acknowledge that, that would be great.